Netgear Orbi WiFi Tri-Band AC3000 Setup. Step 1. Unbox the Orbi devices, take out the Orbi router and satellite, along with the power adapters and Ethernet cable. Step 2. Connect the Orbi router to your modem. Use the included Ethernet cable to connect the Orbi router's Internet port to your modem. Step 3. Power on the Orbi router. Plug the router into a power outlet and wait until the power LED turns solid white or amber. Step 4. Position and power on the satellite. Place the satellite in a central location, plug it in, and wait for the light ring to turn solid. Step 5. Wait for satellite synchronization. Check the satellite's LED color, blue for strong, amber for fair, magenta for disconnected. Step 6. Download the Orbi app. Install the Netgear Orbi app from your device's app store. Step 7. Follow the app setup wizard. Open the app, create a Netgear account, and follow the on-screen instructions to configure your network. Step 8. Test Internet connectivity. Ensure all devices can connect to the Wi-Fi and access the Internet. Step 9. Relocate the satellite if needed. If the connection isn't strong, move the satellite closer to the router and retest. Step 10. Secure your network. Update firmware via the app and enable security features like WPA3 or guest networks. Thank you.